Friends, paper is integral transform and unit number 1 Z transform. Video number 1. This is video of definition of Z transform. Dear friend, first subscribe my YouTube channel PV Patil. For definition of sequence, an order set of real or complex number is called a sequence. Means set of real and complex number in some definite order is called a sequence. It is denoted by f of k or fk. The sequence fk is represented in two ways. Sequence is represented by two ways. First, the most of the elementary way is to list all number of sequence such as f of k is equal to sequence in this way 15, 13, 10, 8, 2, 5, 0, 3 and show that one arrow. Arrow means in this representation a vertical arrow indicate that the position of corresponding to k equal to 0. F of k, these are values of function. Arrow indicate that for k equal to 0 means this value for k equal to 0 means this is value of f of 0. This is value for f of 0, next value for f of 1, next is f of 2, this is f of 3 and this is f of 4 and previous value f of minus 1, this is value of f of minus 2 and this is value of f of minus 3. Mean these are values of function at point k is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, k is minus 1, k is minus 2, k is minus 3. Therefore, f of 0 is 8, f of 0 is 8, f of 1 is 5, f of 2 is 2, f of 3 is 0, f of 4 is 3, f of minus 1 is 10, f of minus 2 13 and f of minus 3 15. Means function represented in this way, arrow indicate that the value of function at k equal to 0 in this way. Second example, for the sequence f of k, same way arrow is here, mean this is value at point k equal to 0, mean this is value of f of 0, value of function at k equal to 0. So f of 0 is 10, f of 1 is 8, f of 2 is 5, f of 3 is 2, f of 4 is 0, f of 5 is 3, f of minus 1 is 13 and f of minus 2 is 15 in this way. Next one, when the vertical arrow is not given, then the starting or left hand end terms of the sequence denote the corresponding to k equal to 0. Left hand side our starting value is for k equal to 0. In this sequence f of k in this way, arrow is not given, so this is value at k equal to 0, mean this is value of function at k equal to 0, mean this is f of 0, then f of 1, f of 2, f of 3, f of 4, f of 5, f of 6 and f of 7. Means when arrow is not given, so this first value is of f of 0. Therefore f of 0 9, f of 1 is 7, f of 2 is 5, f of 3 is 1, f of 4 is minus 2, f of 5 is 0, f of 6 is 2 and f of 7 is 4 in this way. Next one, the second way of specify this sequence is to define the general term of this sequence as a function of position, that is k. Means denote the sequence in terms of k. The sequence f of k, where f of k is 1 upon 4 to the power k, where k is integer, represent the sequence. Means here the value of k are 0, 1, 2, 3 and minus 1, minus 2 integer value. F of k is 1 upon 4 to the power k. The sequence f of k. Therefore, sequence f of k, first put the value of k is 0, so 1 upon 4 to the power 0, 4 to the power 0 is 1, so 1 upon 1 is 1, this is value of f of 0. F of 1, put the value of k is 1, so 1 upon 4 to the power 1 means 1 by 4. Next term, put k is 2, so 1 upon 4 to the power 2, 1 upon 4 square. And previous term, put k is minus 1, so 1 upon 4 to the power minus 1. Previous term is put k is minus 2, so 1 upon 4 to the power minus 2 dot 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 in this way. Here f of 0 is 1, f of 1 is 1 by 4, f of 2 is 1 upon 4 square dot 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 in this. Causal sequence. Any sequence whose term correspond to k less than 0 or all 0 is called causal sequence. Means when k less than 0, then all the term are 0, and when k equal to 0 and greater than 0, these term are non-zero. For example, what sequence is generated when f of k equal to 0 when k less than 0 and cos of k pi by 3 when k greater than equal to 0. Therefore, f of k, sequence f of k, when k equal to 0, we get cos of 0, cos 0. When k is 1, k is plus value 1 means cos pi by 3. When k is 2, cos 2 pi by 3. When k is 3, cos 3 pi by 3. And when k is less than 0 means minus 1, k is minus 1, 0. K is minus 2, 0, k is minus 3, 0 in this way. Therefore, f of k is equal to dot 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 0, 0, cos 0 is 1, cos pi by 3, cos 2 pi by 3, cos 3 pi by 3 means only cos pi dot 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 in this way. Here f of 0, arrow is here, f of 0 is 1, f of 1 is cos pi by 3, f of 2 is cos 2 pi by 3, and f of minus 1 0, f of minus 2 0 means when negative, k is negative, all the terms are 0. So this is a causal sequence. Next example second. Write down the sequence 1/2 into sequence f of k, where f of k is 1 upon 2 raised to k. Therefore, solution 1/2 into sequence f of k equal to sequence 1/2 f of k equal to sequence 1/2 into f of k is 1 upon 2 raised to k is equal to sequence 1 upon 2 raised to k plus 1. Sequence 1 upon 2 raised to k plus 1. Write down the sequence f of k plus g of k, where f of k is 1 upon 3 to the power k and g of k is equal to 0 for k less than 0. And g of k is equal to 5 for k greater than equal to 0. Means g of k is 0 when k is negative, and g of k equal to 5 when k is 0 or k is positive. And f of k is 1 upon 3 raised to k. Assume that sequence f of k plus g of k equal to sequence hk. Now hk equal to f of k plus gk. Now hk equal to fk plus gk. Fk is 1 upon 3 raised to k and gk is 0 for k less than 0. So 1 upon 3 raised to k plus 0 means 1 upon 3 raised to k only for k less than 0, and is equal to 1 upon 3 raised to k plus 5, 1 upon 3 raised to k plus 5 for k greater than equal to 0, for k greater than equal to 0. Example 4, if fk equal to 0 for k less than 0 and fk equal to 2 for k greater than equal to 0, find 1 by 3 of sequence fk. 1 by 3 of sequence fk equal to sequence 1 by 3 into fk. 1 by 3 into fk equal to, now terms of fk are 0 for k less than 0 means f of minus 1 0, 0 into 1 by 3 0, f of minus 2 is 0 into 1 by 3 0 dot dot dot. Now for k equal to 0 is 2, so 1 by 3 into 2 is 2 by 3 for k equal to 0. For k equal to 1, 2 into 1 by 3 is 2 by 3. Next term for k equal to 2, again 2 by 3, 2 by 3 means previous term 0 0, next term 2 by 3, 2 by 3 is the answer. This is 1 by 3 into sequence fk. Z transform. Z transform is useful to solve the difference equation. Now write down definition of Z transform. The Z transform of the sequence f of k, symbolically denoted by z of fk. Z transform of sequence fk is denoted by z of fk, capital Z of fk, is defined as z of fk is equal to fz. There are two notation, z of fk and fz. Remember both the notation of Z transform, and is defined as is equal to sigma k varies from minus infinity to plus infinity f of k into z raised to minus k. Remember this is a small z, this notation is small z, and Z transform notation is capital Z. This is small f and this is capital F. Means Z transform is nothing but a series which is formed by using this sequence. Means Z transform is in terms of Z and whose coefficient are terms of sequence f of k, where Z equal to x plus iy is a complex number. Z, this capital Z is Z transform operator, capital Z for Z transform operator, and FZ the Z transform of f of k. This small z is variable in this series. Means this series is in terms of Z to the power. Therefore, Z transform of fk equal to fz equal to, here put the values of k from minus infinity to plus infinity. So for that write down k is minus 2. So f of minus 2, z raised to minus of minus 2 means z square, plus next term put k is minus 1. So f of minus 1, z raised to minus of minus plus 1, plus put k is 0. So f of 0, z raised to 0. Put k is 1, f of 1, z to the power minus 1. Put k is 2, so f of 2, z to the power minus 2 plus dot dot dot. Now simplified form, this is equal to f of minus 2 into z square plus f of minus 1 into z plus f of 0, z to the power 0 is 1, f of 1, z to the power minus 1 is upon z, f of 2, z to the power minus 2 is z square plus dot dot dot. In this way, this is Z transform. This is a Z transform. This is in terms of power of Z and their coefficient are terms of this sequence. Also Z transform of f of k, Z transform of sequence fk exists when this series is convergent. When this series is convergent, then Z transform of fk exists. This series is convergent means we can find out sum of right hand side. The sum of series on right hand side exists, then Z transform exists, means this series is convergent. This is definition of Z transform. Example first, find Z transform of sequence f of k is equal to minus 2, 1, 3, 5, 7. Arrow is here. Solution, given f of k is minus 2, 1, 3, 5, 7, arrow here, means this is value of function at k equal to 0, means this is f of 0. Therefore f of 0 is 1, f of 1 is 3, f of 2 is 5, f of 3 is 7, and f of minus 1 is minus 2. Then find Z transform of sequence f of k. We know definition is sigma k varies from minus infinity to plus infinity, f of k into z raised to minus k. This is definition of Z transform. But here k from minus 1 to plus 3. K varies from minus 1 to plus 3. So sigma k varies from minus 1 to plus 3, f of k into z raised to minus k. And z of f of k is denoted by also fz. Now put the values of k from minus 1 to 3 is equal to, first k is minus 1, so equal to f of minus 1, z raised to minus of minus is z raised to plus 1. Put k is 0, so f of 0, z raised to 0. Put k is 1, f of 1, z raised to minus 1. Put k is 2, f of 2, z raised to minus 2. Put k is 3, f of 3, z raised to minus 3, and is equal to, we get, put this value, f of minus 1, f of minus 1 is minus 2 into z, plus f of 0 is 1, and z to the power 0 is also 1, plus f of 1 is 3 into z to the power minus 1, plus f of 2 is 5 into z to the power minus 2, plus f of 3 is 7 into z to the power minus 3, equal to, we get minus 2z plus 1 plus 3 upon z plus 5 upon z square plus 7 upon z cube. This is a Z transform of given sequence. Next, example second. Find Z transform of sequence fk Sequence fk is given as 8, 6, 4, 2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Solution. Given sequence fk in this way, here denote dash arrow, mean this is value of function at k equal to 0, mean this is f of 0. So f of 0 is 0, f of 1 is 1, f of 2 is 2, f of 3 is 3, f of -1 is -1, f of -2 is +2, f of -3 is 4, f of -4 is 6, and f of -5 is 8. And therefore by definition of Z transform, Z of f of k equal to sigma k varies from -infinity to +infinity f of k into z to the power minus k. Now here k varies from -5 to +3. K varies from -5 to +3. Now Z transform of f of k is denoted by fz also. So is equal to sigma k varies from -5 to 3. K varies from -5 to 3. F of k z to the power minus k. First put k is equal to -5. So f of -5 z raised to minus of -5 z raised to +5. Put k is -4 plus f of -4 z raised to 4 plus put k is -3. So f of -3 z to the power minus of minus means +3 plus put k is -2. So f of -2 z to the power minus of -2 is z square plus k is -1. So f of -1 z to the power +1. Put k is 0. So f of 0 z to the power 0 plus put k is 1. So f of 1 z to the power -1. Put k is 2. So f of 2 z to the power -2. Put k is 3. So f of 3 z to the power -3. Now put the value of f of -5. So is equal to f of -5 is 8 z to the power 5 plus f of -4 is 6 z to the power 4. F of -3 is 4 z to the power 3. F of -2 is 2 z to the power 2 plus f of -1 is -1 into z plus f of 0 is 0, 0 into z to the power 0 is 1 plus f of 1 is 1 into z to the power -1, f of 2 is 2 into z to the power -2, f of 3 is 3 into z to the power -3. Simplify this, equal 8z to the power 5 plus 6z to the power 4 plus 4z to the power 3 plus 2z square, then plus minus z, this term is 0, plus 1 by z plus 2 by z square plus 3 by z cube is Z transform of given sequence f of k. Example 3, find Z transform of sequence f of k equal to 4, 2, -2, -4, -6. Given sequence f of k equal to 4, 2, -2, -4, -6. Arrow is here, means this is value of function at k equal to 0, means f of 0 is -2, f of 1 is -4, f of 2 is -6, f of -1 is 2, f of -2 is 4. So by definition of Z transform, Z of f of k equal to sigma k varies from -infinity to +infinity, f of k z raised to -k. Now here k varies from -2 to +2. Sigma k varies from -2 to +2, f of k z raised to -k, and Z transform of f of k is also denoted by f of j. So is equal to, first put the value of k is -2. So f of -2 z to the power minus of -2 is +2 plus f of -1 z to the power minus of -1 is +1. Put k is 0, so f of 0 z to the power 0. Put k is 1, so plus f of 1 z to the power -1. Put k is 2, so plus f of 2 z to the power -2 is equal to f of -2 is 4, 4 into z to the power 2 plus f of -1 is 2 z plus f of 0 is -2 z to the power 0 is 1 plus f of 1 is -4 z to the power minus 1, f of 2 is minus 6 z to the power minus 2 equal to 4z square plus 2z minus 2 minus 4 upon z minus 6 upon z square is required z transform. Next, example number 4, find z transform of f of k is equal to sequence is dot 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 1 upon 2 to the power minus 2 comma 1 upon 2 to the power minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 up 1 half comma 1 upon 2 square dot dot dot. Arrow is here. Given the sequence, solution, given sequence f of k is equal to dot 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 1 upon 2 to the power minus 2 comma 1 upon 2 to the power minus 1 1 half 1 upon 2 square dot 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 up to infinity. Arrow is here, mean this is value of function at k equal to 0, mean this is value of f of 0. F of 0 is 1, f of 1 is 1 half, f of 2 is 1 by 2 square, f of minus 1 is 1 upon 2 to the power minus 1 means only 2. In numerator 2 raised to plus 1 means 2. F of minus 2 is 1 upon 2 to the power minus 2, in numerator 2 square, in numerator 2 square. Therefore, by definition of z transform, z of f of k equal to sigma k varies from minus infinity to plus infinity f of k z to the power minus k. Now here k varies from minus 2 to plus 2, k varies from minus 2 to plus 2. So capital Fz equal to sigma k varies from minus 2 to plus 2 f of k z to the power minus k. Put k is minus 2, so is equal to dot 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 plus f of minus 2 z to the power minus of minus 2 is plus 2 plus put k is minus 1, so f of minus 1 z to the power minus of minus 1 is plus 1. Put k is 0 plus f of 0 z to the power 0 plus k is 1, so f of 1 z to the power minus 1. Put k is 2, so f of 2 z to the power minus 2 plus dot dot dot. Put the values, therefore is equal to dot 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 plus f of minus 2, f of minus 2 is 2 raised to 2 z to the power 2 plus f of minus 1 is 2 into z plus f of 0 is 1 into 1 plus f of 1 is 1 half into z to the power minus 1 plus f of 2 is 1 upon 2 square z to the power minus 2 plus dot 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 equal to we get dot 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 plus 2 raised to 2 z square plus 2z plus 1 upon 2 z plus 1 upon 2 square z square plus dot 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 is required z transform. Dear friend, subscribe the channel and share to our friend. Thank you.